This series is sponsored by Typewriter Audio. If you want to support them and my channel, check the description for free samples, plugins, and discounts on new products. Tip 1. Use amp between pedal and cabinet to unlock its full sonic potential, especially on guitars. Tip 2. Use the bass mode to process low-frequency content like bass guitars and synth basses. Tip 3. Use the Blues Amp modeler to add clarity and brighten vocals.
Baby, I told you once what I know. You got to let it go. I told you once, baby. I told you once what I know. You got to let it go.
Tip 4. Use the bass amp on synths and keyboards to add low content and balance out frequency curves. Tip 5. Experiment with amp on drums to add dirt, grit, and drive to your recordings. Special thanks again to Typewriter Audio for sponsoring this series. Check the video description to get your hands on some awesome discounts and freebies.